Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn classes in HTML. Specifically, classes are from CSS lectures. So why I am introducing here to making a beautification of paragraph. Specifically, I have added 2 lectures over here. In HTML, plain HTML, while you are learning in this course, you may thought that and you want to apply more colors and for this text and making more beautiful of your web pages. So here very simply a few points only I'll cover here, where we'll cover all the things in our CSS course. So this CSS like applying of this CSS style and to HTML elements, how this is very simple and easy, you will see now. Let's see. I'm taking a very simple paragraph I'm taking. So we have written a paragraph, So the same way p tag I'm taking. This is a program we plan to run this weekend. This is the one paragraph I have prepared here. So this paragraph, if I run this, so I'll take it classes example. So if I run this, what I'll get here? Very simple. This is the program we plan to run this weekend. So for this, if I want to apply a few color or font to be bold, how it is possible? By making a very simple and easiest way to getting something colors. I'm taking CSS classes. So taking inside the head, moving into inside the head, here I'm writing CSS script. So how I will write? See, take a tag, script tag, which is a script, script type. So just write. So we have to take like a style. This is not a script. JavaScript, we can take a script. So style, style, yeah. Style type attribute is text oblique CSS. So inside the style, what I'm trying to doing, just I'm putting a dot intro, my class name. Whenever you are using inside the style, by putting dot and continuously without space, continuously you are writing some name, will be treated as a class. That's it. So this class is having open brace and end brace, curly braces, open and end curly braces. Inside we have to write the code. So put open and end curly braces, and inside the cursor is there, hit enter. You will be inside, the prompt will be inside the cursor. So here I'm writing 2 attributes, 2 properties only, not more than that. So color as a value, as a parameter attribute, and color is to be blue. Which color you want, you can take it. Blue, violet, burly, sky blue, dark blue, anything you may take it. Yeah, sky blue I'm taking. Okay, and font weight. See, these all are FONT-weight, WEIGHT. Yes, font weight. How much you want? You can inherit initial or some number also you can give. Something like bold I am giving. Alright, this class I am created with 2 attribute values. One is color, name value pair also we can say. Instead of sky blue color, you may take like a HTML color codes. Open Google and check with that. Let's see. Anytime you may open the Google and check with the COLOR color wheel. Yeah, this color wheel, Canva is there and Adobe color wheel is there. So many things are there. You have to make a very quick working with that. See, this color wheel, you will get such a combination of colors. If you turn this wheel, which color you want, there you can stop. Which color of combinations, like first one color, if it is this, another color, what is the color will be help you to see the eye-catching colors, we can say that. So choosing these colors, if you are stopping somewhere else, if you want these two colors means, see the first color, major color is this one, and the second color is this one. So which color you want, you need not to worry and facing so much, nothing to be worry about it. So simply you just take this copy, like by clicking here you will get this code. If you are applying, go to back and applying here that code, like how, just paste it, that's it. This color will be going to be applied there. So first I'll show you in a sky blue, then I will discuss more and more to applying of these colors also. So let's see. This paragraph I am not applied any, like this class is not applied over here. So till it will be displayed in a plain only. Yeah, refresh plain, correct? So now come back to here. How to apply this class? Very simply. Inside the p tag, type class equal to double quotes. Inside the double quote, what you need to write? This class name. This class name is intro. You have to type class name, intro. That's it. I am applying this class to this paragraph. Text to be display. The style I am applying here. So go back here, reload. Wow, sky blue color is displaying. Have you observed here, sky blue color? So if I want to, let's see, color wheel try to apply. Yeah, this color if I am trying to apply, how? Take this code, copy and come back to here and paste, save it, that's it. So go back here and reload the page. Wow, this color is applied. So those, I think these two are very nearby and similar colors. So I'll make a move to here. Yeah, somewhere around this color will take a copy and come back, replace with the color code, save it and go back to our page and reload. Wow, color is applying. What a beauty. So instead of color, we have applied font weight, it's a bold. So how simply we are going to be applying CSS style to our HTML page. So if you are by writing the classes, what are the advantages you may observe here? If I am going to preparing one more paragraph, this is sample paragraph 2 test class from CSS, like a style sheet. Okay, if I run this, you will get normal. Why? Because we are not applied any class. See, the same class I'll apply to this paragraph also. How simple and beauty. Just take a copy of this class and apply inside the p tag. Yeah, it's require the space. Save it, run it. That's it. So this is the advantage of applying of classes. Whenever you are implementing one time for class, many number of times you reuse the same class to wherever you require. And also you may observe in CSS lectures in web, there is a lot of attributes are available, making colors, background colors, fonts and all, making like a beautifications. So try yourself. We'll catch you in the next lecture with how to apply IDs with the divisions or complexity problems we can resolve with these IDs to applying larger scale of attributes. Let's see. I'll catch you there. Thank you.